Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit gray tone filter using Lightroom mobile. Here are some example photos using this preset. Watch this video till the end to get the password. Let's begin. You can download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the preset is protected by a password. Please watch the full video so you can see the password and download the preset. The password consists of 4-digit number and will appear separately like this at the top. Enjoy. First, go to Light. Exposure minus 0.70. Contrast plus 20. Shadows plus 65. Highlights minus 10. Whites minus 95. Blacks to minus 10. Press curve. Follow these steps. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification. And done. Next, go to color. Temperature to plus 14. Tint to plus 2. Vibrance to minus 20. Saturation plus 6. Next, press color mix. Press red. Bring down the saturation to minus 40. Luminance to minus 20. Press orange. Bring down hue to minus 8. Saturation to plus 8. Luminance plus 20. Press yellow. Saturation to minus 100. Next, green. Saturation to minus 100. Bring down hue to minus 100. Next, aqua saturation to minus 100. Next, blue. Saturation to minus 100. Violet. Saturation to minus 100. Magenta. Saturation to minus 100. And done. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to plus 61. Vignette minus 10. Press split tone. Bring the hue 242 and saturation 30 to highlights. Then hue 243 and saturation 30 for shadows. Make it 50 for saturation. Then use 243 and saturation 10 for midtones. And done. Next, go to details. Sharpening to 25 and noise reduction to 20. Color reduction to 20. Now copy this preset to another photo. Press copy setting. Paste setting here. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.